Hello everyone. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Welcome to my online tutorials, where I give you the insight on emerging technological issues affecting matters in education. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Subscription is free. You won't be charged anything. Instead, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome and keep on learning.
Just go to the Play Store, search Gmail app. So you can see with me I have it. I can simply open and make sure it is updated. And then I'll do the first time setting up. Now from the list you can see we have some emails there. Of course, my accounts. Just move down and add another email address. In this case, we shall select Exchange and Office 365. Then you type in your email address. Hit the next tab. Key in your password. And sign in. Then done. So you can see the last account which I've just entered or registered is now there. I can select it to begin to receive emails. So take me to Gmail, and we are in the Gmail. So to switch between your email accounts, at the top right corner where you can see my portrait, just tap on it. It will show you all your email accounts. I'll select the one for TSC, which is this one, and I am in my inbox. So I can begin to receive emails from this very application. Now, if you are already using your Gmail account, that is when you are not installing it or setting up your Gmail application for the first time, the first thing to do is to open your Gmail application. This time around, we move to the top left corner where we have the three dashes. We call it the hamburger menu. I'll tap on it and then scroll down until you see the settings. From the settings will be taken to where you need to add your account. Tap on add and then repeat the steps I've already explained earlier. So just go to Exchange, key in your email address, click next. Enter your password. Then sign in. Then done. You can now select your email, then go back just the same way, then there you are in the inbox. So it is as simple as that, and you are ready to go.
I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If so, give this video a big thumbs up. comment, and share. Above all, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell on so that you don't miss out on my upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching. See you then.